So welcome back to the tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the selecting data using the query builder in the TypeORM. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So today we are going to learn selecting the data using the query builder. So first of all, we have to create the user entity. I think this user entity already created. So let's make sure, let's copy and paste this and make it in our code with the user.ts file. I think it's the same one. Okay, sorted. Next, so this is done. This is, we have the primary generated column, that is id, column that is name should be string, email should be string, and is active to be a boolean and default to be true. Okay, so the next one, so here we are going to connect to the data source. Okay, so I think this is already added, this code. Okay, now we have to initialize this one with the select one. Okay, so let's copy and paste this and check the data with this one. Okay, so here we have the index.ts file, hide this. So let me hide this all. Okay, with this, right? So what we are trying to do here is basic select query using the query builder. Create query builder, that is user. Let me check the table name. That is, we have the user. I think we don't have, just refresh it. Okay, we have the user currently. Let's view and edit this. So we have no user currently. Okay, so we have to create that user first rather than going to that one. So let's create that user, and user is active. Here we are select the user.id, user.name and user.email. So here we have selection where user is active to be true, order by, ascending, get many, means get all the records whatever. So first of all we have to insert something. Okay, so let's do some insertion before that one. So let's go and just do the insertion. So I'm going to use my previous queries. So I think the insert query we have, deleting. Okay, so let's go and just add this insertion, right? So let's add the basic query over there. Await user repository, query builder, insert user, and this is the example. Okay, so let's return this. So I'm going to just add it over here. Okay, or we can just first insertion, then it will return the values. That would be the better one. Okay, let's save this, run the code, clear this, and run dev. Active users order by name, the user id alice, that means record is already inserted. Okay, so because it's previously empty, and here you can see that alice and the boolean is true. Okay, so this is how you can use the select query very easily. Basic select query using the query builder. So you have to pass the where condition, where you want to fetch, which one you want to select the values, order by, get many for getting all the records. Okay, in doubt any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video.